All right, welcome back, good people. Today we bring you a video from a channel called Indigenous Man with the Cam. We have two clips to show you. He's recording outside military bases, which in my opinion make for good First Amendment audits. They are definitely part of the government. And let's put into perspective from both sides of the spectrum here. Personnel or military officers may wonder and approach the videographer and ask what he's doing. Obviously, the videographer doesn't have to answer. In the first clip, the man approaching tells the videographer that he's going to want to talk to personnel who is also arriving on scene. The videographer clearly understands the passive-aggressive nature of the unlawful directive made by the approaching man. Let's take a look.
Booyah. Booyah. I've seen this car already once. This is,
I got a guy coming down here from the base. Probably wants to talk to you here.
I don't answer questions.
Well, you're gonna want to talk to this guy.
No, I don't answer questions. I don't answer. You're not my boss. Nobody here's my boss. So.
Nobody's his boss.
No, I don't answer questions.
All right.
You guys can go if you're on your way, or you can stay. Either or, you're free. Just like I am.
Okay.
I can film all day I want. First Amendment protected activity. So you guys can kick rocks if you want or stay. I don't let people bully and intimidate me. You're blocking the road too. Walk of shame, bro. Gonna give some free education out today. He's blocking a road. He has his lights on, but it's good. Yep. I'm doing well. I'm just exercising my First Amendment rights.
Copy that, sir. All right, sir. As long as you stay on this side of the... Yeah, as long as you stay on this side of the...
Yeah, that fence right there?
Yeah, the fence line over here. As long as you're not on base copy, you're good to go, sir.
Yeah. I don't need directives though, man. I know where I'm gonna go, so. I'm not gonna eat yellow snow. I'm not gonna run with scissors. I know what it is. I'm quite a bit older than you, man. I don't need directives.
Roger that, sir. Just making sure. You have a good day.
Yeah, I'm getting old for this, man. Getting kind of old for this. Those kids are younger, about 8 years younger than me, so I don't need directives from kids. But if it wasn't a problem, he wouldn't have came up to me. I don't like people explaining to me, you know. He was cool, but it's not really cool hassling people for filming. They're gonna do the drive away.
All in all, I believe these were good clips. I found professionalism on both sides. The folks approaching pulled up, asked questions, and they kindly went about their day. They didn't stick around with presumed authority. They did try to throw in some microscopic directives, but the videographer's wit and understanding of the law immediately de-escalated that and turned it into a perfect encounter. If I had to rate this interaction, I'd give it a top 10. I would take a point away from the folks that came out for throwing in their little directives, but I do believe they did a pretty good job. As far as the videographer, was he too stern? I personally don't believe so. I think he did a good job. Reason being is sometimes you could be the one trying to be a little too nice, and they take advantage of that. Sometimes you need to let them know right away where you stand so that they don't try to cross that line. As you've seen in both clips, that's exactly what happened. That's why I give the dude a 10. With that being said, you guys go subscribe to this channel, Indigenous Man with the Cam. Let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a great day. Peace.
Are construction workers paid by tax dollars?
No. Oh yeah, they are. These guys
Call
are.
my business account.
Where do
They're
these
in the
guys?
city.
Where do these guys work? Get to work.
No dig.